want to sound more interesting, creative, and expressive while you speak in English, right? So let's do it! Hi everyone, this is Vani and I welcome you to a brand new lesson with Engvarta. In this lesson, I will be taking 15 basic English sentences and turn them into advanced English sentences so that you can start using them in your daily conversations to sound more impressive. But before we start today's video, if you want someone who can help you improve your English, give you a constructive feedback, correct all your mistakes, someone who can help you to improve your vocabulary, help you to frame proper and better sentences, then download the Engvarta app, where you can talk to live English experts who will guide you and help you to polish your English communication. The link is in the description box below.
Engvarta, your English practice playground. No judgment, only motivation and constructive feedback.
So let's start today's lesson. On one side of the screen, you will see the simple sentence, and on the other side, you will see the advanced version of the similar sentence. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's meet today. Let's catch up today. I'm hungry. I'm starving. It's not so difficult. It's not rocket science. Thank you. I'm really grateful. I'm tired. I'm worn out. Sorry, I fell asleep. Sorry, I nodded off. I'm a bit busy. I'm a bit tied up. I go to the gym rarely. I go to the gym once in a blue moon. I'm not sure about it. I'm on the fence. I'm scared. I have cold feet. Stop shouting. Stop yelling. Stop complaining about the incident. Stop whining about the incident. You have a kind heart. You have a heart of gold. He was talking non-stop. He was rambling. Be careful. Watch out. If you liked the video and you're ready to use these sentences in your daily conversations, then give this video a thumbs up. And now moving on to the best part of the video, your assignment. How would you say you're really funny in advanced English? Write down your answers in the comment box below. And don't just stick to one answer. Write as many as you want. The space is all yours. Before we wind up, here are the answers to the quiz from our video on homophones. If you haven't watched our video on homophones, not to worry. Just click the I button. I hope that this video was useful. If you want me to make similar videos, then don't forget to, you're right, show some love and subscribe our channel. Share this video with your friends. I will see you tomorrow in another video lesson. Till then, stay safe and happy learning.
Engvarta, your English practice playground. No judgment, only motivation and constructive feedback. Join today.